In this video, I will be showing you how I created a website for the client that looks like this. So I will show you basically what section does it have, where I found the illustrations, how I customize it. So this is the website for Hungarian 3D company. They have a lot of different services, and basically what they came up with is just basic text about the company, and I come up with the structure using a website called Relume. So there's a website that can build a sitemap, that can build a wireframes. Obviously it's not going to be perfect, but it's a good start to basically see what pages you're going to have, what structure you want to have. So this is how the sitemaps look like. It gives you an idea for which pages there are and which section on each page could go, and a little bit information about each section. For those of you who already have a website but it doesn't convert very well and it looks like outdated, click on the link down in the description and I'll work with you to launch your website in 2 weeks or less using the same practices I explained in this video. Fixed price with clear timeline. What I've started with is just basic information with the client website, and I created a structure. I've added some text in Hungarian languages. This is a Hungarian company. Yeah, they have a lot of different services. I found all of these 3D icons on a website called UI 8. I have a subscription here, so with all of the clients that I work with, I download, I find any assets that they need without any additional cost. So it has a ton of different illustrations, ton of different templates as well. For this specific website, I choose this template, docs. Actually choose 2 templates because as I will show you now, this website look good, but compared to the other website, which is Cosmo, I think, compared to this website, it is more white color, so there's not a lot of colors. If you look at this website, it has more personality, it has more gradients, it just looks more alive. Yeah, so as you can see here, it's just looks more, feels better when you see this website. So that way, but this website has a pretty similar structure to what clients needed, and it has some 3D elements similar to the client's theme and what clients work with. So that way I combined these 2 templates, and I'm going to show you in Figma what I did exactly to combine these 2 websites and then to bring it in Framer in less than 6 days. So yeah, we started on Monday and finished by Saturday with all of the text development, with all of the structure in Figma, and with all of the bringing it over to Framer so the client can launch pretty much anytime now. Yeah, so this is the structure for the homepage, and let me just open it in Figma how it looks. So I took the here section from this website, and I took the gradients and fonts, I think, from this website. So you can see the gradients here in the background. I took also the navigation from this website, because here we have a hamburger, which is not perfect for a lot of industries. I don't really like the hamburger menu on a desktop because it hides a lot of information. It's not very user-friendly. So yeah, that's why I took the navigation from this website. It's much cleaner. It has all the call to action here at the top right. It has the navigation here at the top left. So that is exactly what I did here in Figma. And I brought it to our website and combined it. Here we have some logos that the client in actually Framer can change just in a few clicks. So when you go to Framer, you will see the picture here. So you can just click on choose image and upload any image from your computer, as well as for this illustrations, you can edit the component, but it's not necessary because it already looks good. Yeah, so the next section is this, and on the template, it looks like this. So obviously not totally related. This person or this character, yeah, it was like the main character of their company. It's kind of part of their branding. So I reused it across the website on different sections. This section, as you can see here on the paradox template, it is kind of dual. The background doesn't really stand up that much. It's too much white colors. For some industries, this could work, but here I think it needed some more colors. So I took this gradient background. I've changed the icons. As you can see here, we have some of the just the vector icons. And since we have a 3D website, I thought that would be a nice idea to have some of the icons here, as you can see. The next section, we had a slider. So this section is actually not on neither of the template. So there are sometimes scenarios when the component, the page that you need is not on neither of the website. So in that case, you would need to build something custom. And that's exactly what I did. As you can see here on for example, on this template, this is how the contact page looks like, which is not user friendly. To send the message, the user actually needs to scroll down, and not very well for conversions. That's what I did for this section. So we have here on the left side the text, and on the right side we have the form. I could actually add here a headline on the form saying like get in touch or something like that to bring even more attention to this form. But other way, it looks better than what currently we see here. If you have a location, that might work, and if your location is more important than actually giving users the ability to contact you, you can use this template and it will work for you. But in this case, they didn't have a specific location, so we use this version, this structure. It's a good idea to combine 2-3 templates into one. The best version is when you can combine just one template. For example, this is the website that I built for my last client, and it was just one template. And if I go to the template itself, so this is the template, and this is the website I built for the client. So as you can see, it's pretty similar. Obviously, it has different branding, different colors, but overall, it has similar structure and it follows the same template. So this way, it's even better because it's much faster. And the best thing is that the structure is already pre-built here. So whatever the good structure is, the designers, the developer, the marketers build on this website, I can literally keep it and just make it work for my client. As you can see, all the illustrations are custom. So this website is for AI solution for personal and business finance, and my client has AI powered solution for salon and startups. So as you can see, they're totally different, but they have similar structure, and that way this website has brought like 3x in conversions just in 1 month. I've applied some high converting strategies. Here we can see the option to win a free branded website, which is pretty cool. And it has very good conversions mechanics. So as you can see, this section where we have on our Framer website the services. So this section where we have on our Framer website list of services with 3D icons, you can see it's a little bit different. The flat colors in the background doesn't really stand out that much, and this flat with some shadow vector elements or buttons doesn't really tell what they do and what is it about. So what I did actually is I found this nice AI template with 3D icons, and yeah, I again found it on UI8 website, not sponsored, but when I work with a client, I just provide all of the templates and all of the 3D elements for free. Yeah, so I found that and I actually added it, and it looks pretty good in my opinion. It has some nice contrasting colors. I also have added some of the other illustrations here. You can see it's a different pack. I've added some shadow, and that way it could look really good. For the footer, I've combined also the two options. You can see here on this website, we had just simple like this, and with some screen of the demo of their application, whatever this website does, the design application, the prototyping application, definitely not what my clients need. And this template and this website was too wide with a bit too much elements. So I combined the gradient, the white simple text with the illustration and this circle in the background, and yeah, this is the option that we got here. Some of the icons here, we have nice gradient, we have some nice text, and which turns out a very good call to action. It's really big, it stands out a lot. And yeah, so this section was not actually on this template. Yeah, it was taken from this template. I can show you how it looked like. Monitor and manage your projects on the go with the mobile app here and the map on the right side. Definitely not what my clients need. So I took their character and I placed it in here, and I took some illustration and I placed it instead of the map here. And this is the section that we have, also really cool. The picture and some additional text about their company. Next, we have a About Us page. So the About Us page is basically from this website I customized, so it represents all obviously the client's website. So we have some 3D elements here and some text about the company, some pictures of the teammates. Obviously they can apply their own picture, they can upload it here, and we have footer as well. And next we have the solutions page. So pretty similar to homepage, much simpler, much cleaner. We have some more description with their elements. All the icons are pretty easy to change. You can see here the drop down, and you can change the icons. So very easily to do that. You just would want to do in Framer, you would want to go in Framer, choose the icon here and bring the icon whenever you need, make it smaller, and then you'll be able to just upload any icon that you need. Yeah, so scrolling down, we can see the section that I brought from homepage on the live website.